What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Rhane Boehler and I'm from Abilene, Texas.
What year and model is your truck?
That's a 93 D250 Cummins 5-speed.
And it just recently became a 5-speed,
Just
right?
recently, yeah.
That's awesome. You liking it?
I love it.
Cool.
It's so much better than that A518.
And I think that's what we have in her truck. What modifications have you done to your engine?
Governor spring, the pump, or the pin. I got a THD lift, high volume lift pump on it, and that's about it. The air intake.
You haven't done nothing to the turbo to make it sound like that? Because that thing sounds crazy.
That's stock turbo. The only thing I've done to the exhaust is straight pipe it with that 8-inch tip. Just factory exhaust.
All right, and then what do you got going with your wheels here?
Those are 4th gen wheels.
And some high mileage road tires, I think.
Yeah.
And this is completely a work truck, and you work it just about every day, right?
Every day. I put about 2,000 miles a week on it.
And a lot of first geners love flatbeds.
Oh, yeah.
And like work trucks. What do you got here on the trailer today?
I got an 88 Ram Charger on it. Got a good large truck.
And you pretty much get a truck or two, sometimes 3 in a day, right?
Yes, I got 3 to pick up this week.
Wow.
And then going to Idaho here in about 3 weeks.
And what kind of trailer are we pulling here?
It's a Max D trailer from Abilene Trailer Sales.
It's a nice looking trailer.
22 foot with 2 foot lift.
And what do you got for a winch on
I
here?
think that's rated for 12,000 pounds.
Yeah, I see a 12 on there.
It pulls just about anything I want.
All right, how long have you had your truck?
I've had it 3 years now.
3 years?
Looked completely different. It was originally blue and tan.
So we're gonna get a shot of the automatic and the manual stick at the same time.
It's dirty, so don't judge it.
Hey, it's a work truck. It's dirty, but ain't it pretty though? And then tell me about your front bumper here.
Picked that up in a trade and then installed the light bars. It's got a 42-inch and then 2 8-inch light bars on it.
And then you've smoked the blinkers.
Yes, sir. Smoked the blinkers. I got AAA LEDs on there. These things are amazing.
Yeah, really bright, huh?
Oh yeah.
How many miles you got on this truck?
I got 400,000 on the original motor. Never been rebuilt. Now everything else on the truck's been rebuilt.
Well, yeah. Well, that's what I always tell everybody. I went to a Dodge for the Cummins.
Yeah.
And you'll rebuild the Dodge 3 times around the life of the Cummins.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, Rhane, thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.
I know you're a businessman. So, what is your website?
It's Rhane Express on Facebook.
People can get you on there.
Yes, sir.
Instagram, possibly.
Stormtrooper_001.
All right. Well, thank you, sir. And I don't want to take up any more of your time.
Yes, sir.
You have a good one.
You too.